Apple means सेव. B for banana. B for banana. Banana means केला. C for cat. C for cat. Cat means बिल्ली. D for dog. D for dog. Dog means कुत्ता. E for elephant. E for elephant. Elephant means happy. F for fish. F for fish. Fish means machli. G for grapes. G for grapes. Grapes means angur. H for hen. H for hen. Hen means murgi. I for ice cream. I for ice cream. Ice cream means ice cream. J for juice. J for juice. Juice means juice. K for kite. K for kite. Kite means patang. L for lion. L for lion. Lion means sheep. M for monkey. M for monkey. Monkey means bandar. N for nest. N for nest. Nest means ghosla. O for owl. O for owl. Owl means ullu. P for parrot. P for parrot. Parrot means tota. Q for queen. Q for queen. Queen means rani. R for rose. R for rose. Rose means gulab. S for sun. S for sun. Sun means suraj. T for tiger. T for tiger. Tiger means cheetah. U for umbrella. U for umbrella. Umbrella means chhata. V for van. V for van. Van means gari. W for was. W for was. Was means ghori. X for Xmas tree. X for Xmas tree. Xmas tree means Xmas tree. Y for yak. Y for yak. Yak means jangli jaisa. Z for zebra. Z for zebra. Zebra means